Good morning, all of you. Today we are discussing the second chapter of Civics for the class of 8. The chapter name is Understanding Secularism. According to the Indian Constitution, India is a secular state. Why we are saying that India is a secular state? Because of the following reasons we are saying India is a secular state. Point number 1. In India, one religious community does not dominate another religion. One of the reasons is that is why we are saying India is a secular state. Once again, in India, one religious community does not dominate the another religious community. The first reason we are saying India is a secular state. Point number 2. The members of one religious community does not dominate other members of the same religious community. That is the second reason. That is why we are saying it is a secular state. Once again, the members of the one religious community does not dominate the members of the same religious community. That is the second reason. That is why we are saying India is a secular state. Point number 3. The state does not enforce any particular religion to take away the religious freedom of the individual. That is the third reason we are saying India is a secular state. Once again, the state does not enforce any particular religion to take away the religious freedom of the individuals. The third reason, that is why we are saying India is a secular state. To prevent the dominating, for making one of the secular state, the state want to prevent the domination of the religions. To prevent the domination, many of the methods implemented by the government through the constitution. The first way, the strategy, that is the strategy of distancing from religion. Once again, to prevent the domination, many of the strategies implemented by the constitution, the first one is that the strategy of distancing from religion. That means the Indian state is not ruled by religious group, nor India did not support any particular religion. In India, government places such as the law courts, police station, government schools and offices are not promoted any religion. This is the strategy of the distancing from religion. That is the one of the strategy was implemented by the constitution to prevent the dominating power of particular religions. The second strategy, that is the non-interference, the strategy of non-interference. It is saying, in order to respect the sentiments of the religion, state does not interfere with the religious practices. In order to prevent the sentiments of the religion, the state does not interfere with the religious practices. That is the second strategy that was implemented by the constitution for preventing the dominating power of the religions. Third strategy, the strategy of intervention. The strategy of the intervention says that state intervenes the religion to stop the social practices which violate the fundamental right of the lower caste people and causes for the discrimination in the society. Example, the untouchability. That is the strategy of the intervention. These are the strategies implemented by the Indian constitution. That is why we are saying that India is a secular state. That is the Indian secularism. The objective of the secular democratic countries all are similar. Many of the countries follow the democratic form of government and they are implementing the secularism there. And what are the objectives of this secular country? All are similar in the most part of the world. Most of the countries are following this same strategies. But in USA, the separation of the power, The separation between the state and the religion means neither state nor the religion can interfere the affairs of the one another. In USA, the separation of between state and the religion means neither state nor the religion can interfere in the affairs of the one another. The separation between the state and the religion is very strict in the America. The separation between the state and the religion is very strict in America because no strategy of the intervention there. But in case of the India also following the secularism. In India, that is not strict. The separation between the state and the religion does not strict. In India, in the state of India, can intervene the religious affairs. Example, one of the strategy of the intervention means we see there for the abolition of the untouchability. That is one of the role of the states in the religion that we can see in the Indian secularism, but that does not see in the American secularism. Thank you.